Hello students, welcome back class 10. Today I am discussing our CBSE sample paper. Okay, so you can see CBSE Department of Skill Education Information Technology subject code. Our subject code is 402. Okay, so you can see blueprint for sample question paper for class 10, our IT subject. Okay, subject code is 402, session 2020-21. So you can see total 2 hours paper, 2 hours paper, and maximum marks is 50. So this is our theory paper, 50 marks. Okay, so our syllabus into two parts. Part A, employability skills. So in part A, 10 marks. Okay, so you can see in 10 marks our total unit is unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our unit 1 is communication skills second, self-management skills second, information and communication technology skills second, entrepreneurship skill and green skills second. So you can see in this objective type 1 mark question in communication, short answer 2 marks. You can see one question, total 2 question in our communication skills. Self-management 2 questions, 1 mark each, 1 questions, and total 3 questions you will see. Okay, in ICT skills 1 question of objective type, short answer of 1, total 2 questions you will see. And entrepreneurship skill only 1 question of objective type and 1 question of short type. You can see 2 marks. So we have 2 marks. In green skill 1 objective type question, 1 short type, and total 2. So you can see total 11 question will ask. Total 11 question ask. So you can see overall total 4 MCQ questions and 6 short questions of 2 marks. So total 10 marks. So our part A, in this part A total 5 things: communication, self-management, information, and entrepreneurship and green skills, and 10 marks paper. In 10 marks 4 objective question and 6 2 marks question, 6 marks. Okay, or in 2, so you can see okay, so 1 multiply and 3, so you can say 10 marks you can see. Okay students, now next thing is our part B. So part B is 40 marks. Okay, our part A is 10 marks, our part B is 40 marks. Okay, so the weightage of part B is high. So in this part B, digital documentation advanced, electronic spreadsheet advanced, database management system, web application and security. So you can MCQ question 6 in electronic sheet, 6 MCQ question, database 6, and web application you can see 6. And digital short answer is 1, electronic spreadsheet 2, database 1, and web application 2. And descriptive long answer 4 marks each. So in digital 1 question of 4 marks, electronic spreadsheet 1 question of 4 marks, and database management 2 question of 4 marks, and web security 1 question of 4 marks. So you can see total 8 questions. In electronic spreadsheet, in digital documentation 8 questions, electronic spreadsheet 9 question, database management 2 question, web security 9 question. So total you can see in 24, 6, 5, 35. Okay, this is a blueprint, and you can see, so MC question, so number of answer 20. Okay, in 24 you can attempt any 20. In 2 marks question 6 questions, so you attempt any 4. In 4 marks 5 questions, but you will attempt any 3, and total question is 35. So you can see 40 marks. So in 40 marks our part B. Okay, 40 marks total part B, or you can see weightage of every in this table you can see everything, total question and number of question to be answered you can see. So total you can see 40 marks weightage. Okay students, so total 50 marks paper, part A 10 marks and part B 40 marks. So 10 plus 40, 50 marks paper. Now here I am giving CBSE Department of Skill Education Information Technology subject code 402. Okay, simple question paper for class 10 session 2020-21. Maximum marks 2 hours and maximum time 2 hours and maximum marks 50. General instructions you can read. So I am reading. First read the instruction carefully. This question paper consists of 21 questions. Okay, total 21 questions. We'll ask section A and section B. Okay, and section A has objective type questions, where section B contains subjective type questions. Okay, in section A only objective type questions, section B subjective. Out of given 5 plus 16 is equal to 21 questions, a candidate has to answer only 50 questions in the total allotted time of 2 hours. So you can say overall you can say 21 questions you have, but you will give only 15 questions in the maximum time 2 hours. All questions of a particular section must be attempted in correct order. Okay, so you must use proper serial number and your answer. Okay, so you can see in our section A objective type question 24 marks. So this question have 5 questions. Marks allotted are mentioned against each question part. There is no negative marking. Okay, there is no negative marking. Do as per the instructions given. And part section B, you know very well, subjective type questions, 26 marks weightage. And this section has 16 questions. And you will do any 16 out of 16, you will do only 10 questions. Do as per instruction given. Marks allotted are mentioned against each question part. So you can section A and section B. Section is objective type question 24 marks and section B subjective 26. Okay, and in this you will attempt 10 questions and you will attempt 5 questions. Total 50 questions you will attempt in out of 21 questions. Now next thing is section A. Okay, subjective type questions. Okay, so in section A you can see you have 5 questions. Okay, and in this section is 16 questions. So you can see answer any 4 out of 6 question or employability skills. Okay, in 6 question you will give 4. So first question is Karan lives at a hostel in Shimla. Okay, he calls his mother who lives in Delhi to get her approval for the robotics class which is going to start in his school next week onwards. However, due to disruption the phone lines, his mother could not understand and replied to him. He got very upset, which another medium can he use to get immediate approval of his mother. So we can choose. We have 4 possibilities: email, letter, message through friend, and fax. So this is our MCQ question. So you will select a correct answer. Okay, 1 marks question. So in 6 question you will attempt 4 questions. Okay. Now next question you can see Trisha. This is our part A. Communication, self-management, ICT, entrepreneurship, and green skills. So you can this type of question you can see. Trisha is always tense during exam time. She is sincere. This is our self-management chapter question. She is sincere and studious student, but the through of exam create anxiety in her. Which stress technique that you would suggest to help her? Okay, yoga, exercise, vacation with family, all of these. So you will select the correct answer. I will discuss all the answer in later. Okay, this is again self-management chapter question. Ability to a person to do the things that need to be done without someone or something influence us. So what is this? Self-motivation, self-awareness, self-discipline, self-regulation. So we will select the correct answer. According to the concept of sustainable development, the environment and the development are the issues. Inseparable, separate, independent, none of these. So you select the correct answer. I will discuss the answers later. Okay, 1 marks question. This is our ICT skill questions. The cleaning of software installed in the computer cannot be achieved by disk cleanup, backup, cleaning CPU cabinet, installing antivirus software. Okay, So you will select a proper answer for this. Entrepreneur has a crucial role in the society. Evolution, planning, functioning. So you will select the correct answer, evolution, planning, and none of these. I will discuss the answer in later, but here I am giving the structure of our examination paper. Okay students, now question 2, answer any 5 out of given 6 question. Okay, 5 marks question. So is not instant messaging service Skype, Yahoo Messenger, Firefox, WhatsApp. Okay, you will select the correct answer. Okay, is the process of emptying a place in the case of emergency disaster. So what is the accident, evacuation, hazards, and exciting. Richard needs to set up a network for his office where he wants to save all the data in a centralized system, and the other computer will take the services from the centralized system. Which architecture will be best suited for him? So we have 4 possibilities: peer-to-peer, client-server, point-to-point, or ring. So you select one question answer. A is a device that converts digital computer signal into form analog signal that can travel over phone lines and vice versa. What is the answer? Repeater, switch, router, and modem. So you will select the correct answer for this. The next question is especially designed to minimize or maximize the result according to a set of rules that you define in a spreadsheet. Okay, so you can see goal seek, scenario, solver, or subtotal. Okay, set of rules you can define. For this purpose you can minimize the result according to the set of rules. So which thing you will choose? Okay, refers to the vertical and horizontal placement of a graphic in relation to the chosen anchor point, alignment, footer, margin, and heading. Okay, so you will select in a proper you will select a proper answer for this. So I am showing this type of MCQ question asked in our examination. Okay students, so in next class I want to discuss the remaining part of this question paper. Okay students, thank you so much.